Inmates, the reason I'm actually in my lounge doing this is because it's very impromptu. I've been thinking about this for the last couple of weeks because my Trustpilot scoring is going through the roof, which is fantastic. It just goes to show that I'm a genuine, good, honest businessman, and I like to try and do right by all my customers. Now, right now I'm on 499 reviews, so let me show that to you and turn it around. So if you're looking at my screen right now, you can see 499 reviews. And that is my dog Leah just saying hello. Right, okay, so when, Leah, when that goes to 500, I can basically see on my dashboard, I can see all the names of the people who've left the most recent reviews. So when review 500 comes in, I'm going to contact that person, and their transaction could be anything between £30-40 right up to over £1,000. I had one order come in the other day for £1,800. So what I am pledging to do is to match that and put that towards a charity of either their choice or one that I choose, depending on which one we decide is best to do. Okay, so once that goes to 500, I will come back on here. It could be today, it could be tomorrow. Okay, we're back. It's the following day and we have our 500th review. We actually have our 501, 501st, 501th, 501st review. So I've had 2 more reviews come in the last hour. But obviously, as I said, we're going to pick the 500th review and I'm going to call him now. So I'll turn around so you can see the screen, so you can see this is all completely legitimate. Right, so here it is here. So you can see here, what I'm going to do is record my screen. So as you can see there, 5-star review. And we've got another one coming, which is review 501 from Mr. Ben Phelps. I don't mind saying his name because the fact his name's on there, he's obviously happy with the fact he's put it on there. But this one here is MD. Now, what I'm going to do, I actually do know this customer. I know this customer because he's put at the bottom, cheers, Mark from Hampstead Motorcyclists. So if I go over to my website and just put in Hampstead, and he's actually placed 4 orders since the 12th of November 2020. So what I'm going to do, looking at the value of them, I'm actually going to add them all together, and I'm going to give him a call and see which charity he'd like to donate that to.
Hi, this is Mark. How can I help you?
Hi, is that Mark from Hampstead Motorcycles?
Hampstead Motorcyclist?
Yeah,
Yes, it is.
it's Steve Abel from A Bike Thing. How are you?
Hello! Now, I should have recognised, what's up with your videos, I should recognise it.
Sorry, what was that? You should have recognised what?
I should recognise your voice. I should look at your videos, I should recognise your voice. I'm probably warmer than you are in your... Are you in your shed right now, or are you indoors?
I'm indoors actually right now.
I don't blame you. I did a review of you this morning. Is that why you're phoning me?
Yes, that's exactly why I'm phoning you. The reason why I'm phoning you is because you are our 500th review.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, okay. And it's something that I wanted to do is contact the customer who leaves that 500th review, which is you, and look at your order. And look, well, I'm looking at all your orders you've done going back to November 2020. And by adding all that together, I was wanting to ask you if, I'm more than happy, because I think if I add it all together, it comes to around about 200 something pounds. But if I was to up that to 500 pounds, if I could donate that to a charity of your choice.
Absolutely. That's absolutely fantastic.
Yeah?
Please do. I've done quite a bit of work recently for the Alzheimer's Society. So please, because I'm an old fart on a motorbike.
Okay.
I did a ride in July, this last July. I raised a little bit of £300 for the Alzheimer's Society. So, yeah, the Alzheimer's Society is a good one. Unless you want to donate it to a different charity, in which case that's also fine. That's fine.
No, that's absolutely fine. I do my own things anyway. Are you okay? Obviously, this is all editable. I have recorded this conversation with you, so I've got a camera that is actually picking your voice up. Are you okay with your voice being on camera?
100% I'm okay with my voice. It's just a shame you can't get my ugly mush on camera, really.
Okay, all right. So I've literally got my mobile phone recording. I've got my landline on hands free, so I can hear you. It's not live or anything. Don't worry. So it's all editable. And obviously, because your review says MD left a new review, I've got cheers, Mark, Hampstead Motorcyclists. So is that
the two together have worked out into me? So,
yes? But obviously, I want to ask if you're okay with that.
I think that is really, really nice of you to do that. I think that's absolutely fantastic. Thank you very much.
That's no problem at all.
You know what? That's really great. And thanks. I also wanted to say, whilst I'm being recorded, if the world is seeing this, if you're going to be listening to this or watching your video, then I've had absolutely amazing service from you. I just wanted to say thank you very much indeed.
Thank you. Oh, that's great. Thank you. I appreciate that. Thank you. I wanted to.
I haven't been in for T3s yet, but hey, there you go. So.
Well, sorry, what was that you said?
I haven't fitted my T3s yet, or Daisy changed my e cans, but you know when it's warmer.
Yeah. Okay. Well, if you need any help with that, obviously you know who to contact. So what I'll do is I'll come off the call now, but I will contact you later on today just to get the details of the charity and everything. So we can definitely, so you can see that I follow it through and I'll make that donation.
I'll save your number in my phone. I might want to book my bike in the next few months anyway.
Okay.
So to do some more work and leave it with you.
Okay.
So let's talk about that when I'm not being recorded.
Okay. All right.
Okay.
Thanks a lot.
Bye.
Okay. Speak to you soon.
Thank you very much. Cheers, Steve. Take it
Thanks.
easy. Bye. Bye.
So that's a wrap. Let's see what I do for the 1000th review. So thanks to all of you who have been leaving reviews all this time. It really makes a world of difference. People realise that we are a company that you can trust. Until next time, I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe behind bars. Over and out.